Let me ask you a question most men think about, but rarely say out loud. What really happens if you ejaculate every single day? Does it build your health or quietly drain you over time? Does it improve performance, mood, and confidence, or mess with your desire, focus, and self-control? I'm Dr. Ava, a board-certified urologist, and today I'm going to give you the full picture. 4 surprising benefits, 4 real drawbacks, and the simple way to know what's right for your body and your goals, without shame and without myths. If you're serious about change, don't just watch the first minute and scroll. Watch until the end, because I'll give you a clear checklist that helps you decide whether daily ejaculation is helping you or quietly controlling you. And if you want more straight talk men's health content, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I genuinely love seeing this community around the world. Now let's clear up the biggest misconception immediately. There is no universal answer. Daily ejaculation isn't automatically good or bad. It depends on why you're doing it, how you're doing it, and what it's doing to your energy, mood, desire, and relationships. Some men feel calmer, sleep better, and feel more confident. Others notice less motivation, less interest in real intimacy, more guilt, or even performance issues. That doesn't mean you're broken. It means you're human, and nobody taught you how to judge what's healthy for you. The 4 surprising benefits. Benefit 1, mood regulation and stress relief. After ejaculation, the brain releases chemicals linked to pleasure, bonding, and relaxation, like dopamine, oxytocin, and endorphins. Biologically, that can calm your nervous system. Emotionally, it can reduce tension. Practically, it may help some men feel less irritable and more grounded. But here's the key. It's a tool, not a personality fix. If it helps you relax sometimes, great. If it becomes the only way you can relax, we'll talk about that in the drawbacks. Benefit 2, better sleep for some men. Many men notice they feel sleepy afterward. One reason is hormonal and nervous system downshifting after orgasm, which can promote relaxation. If stress keeps you awake, this can sometimes help you fall asleep faster. But if your sleep depends on it, that's a sign to build other sleep supports too. Light exposure in the morning, consistent bedtime, less late-night scrolling. Benefit 3, circulation and sexual function, maintenance. Sexual arousal involves increased blood flow and cardiovascular activation. Think of it as a mild physical event that engages your circulation and pelvic floor. For some men, regular sexual activity can support confidence and help them stay aware of how their body responds over time. It's not a replacement for exercise, but it's part of the bigger picture of sexual wellness. Benefit 4, prostate health support, association, not a guarantee. Some large studies have found an association between more frequent ejaculation and lower prostate cancer risk. The theory is that ejaculation may help clear prostatic fluid and reduce buildup over time. Important, this does not mean ejaculation prevents cancer. It's one possible protective factor among many, and it never replaces checkups, family history awareness, and medical guidance. The 4 real drawbacks. Now let's be honest, daily ejaculation isn't risk-free. For some men, it backfires, not because ejaculation is bad, but because the pattern around it becomes unhealthy. 1, compulsive behavior. There's a massive difference between a chosen habit and a compulsive loop. Ask yourself, am I choosing this or is it choosing me? If it's interfering with school/work, goals, sleep, social life, or relationships, if you keep doing it even when you don't want to, that's not high libido. That's a self-control issue, and it deserves attention without shame. 2, using it as an emotional escape. Stress, loneliness, boredom, anxiety, these are real. But if ejaculation becomes your only coping tool, you're not solving the problem. You're numbing it. That can block healthier outlets like exercise, journaling, prayer/meditation, talking to someone you trust, therapy, or simply learning to sit with discomfort and grow. 3, fertility strategy, if trying to conceive. If you're actively trying for a baby, daily ejaculation can reduce sperm concentration for some men. Many couples do better with a rhythm that matches ovulation timing. This is not about fear, it's about strategy. If fertility is your goal, talk with a clinician for personalized guidance. 4. Reduced sensitivity or lowered desire. If daily ejaculation is rushed, repetitive, or purely habit-driven, your brain can adapt. The reward can feel less exciting, and real intimacy may feel less motivating. A short reset, spacing things out, can restore sensitivity and desire for many men. So what's the truth? Daily ejaculation can be healthy, or it can be a warning sign. The difference is not frequency. The difference is impact. Here's my simple decision checklist. If daily ejaculation leads to better sleep, steady mood, good energy, healthy desire, stronger relationships, then it may be fine for you. But if it leads to guilt or feeling out of control, lower motivation, avoidance of real problems, reduced interest in real intimacy, pain, changes in erection quality, or distress, that's your sign to adjust. Your action steps: track the impact for 7 days. Energy, mood, focus, desire, confidence. Experiment. Try daily for a week, then try spacing out for a week. Compare honestly. Build balance. Don't let one habit carry your entire emotional life. Get help when needed. Pain, major changes, or compulsive patterns are worth discussing with a professional. And here's the inspiring truth I want you to leave with. You don't need shame to change. You need clarity. Your body is not your enemy. Your urges are not a life sentence. With small adjustments, you can build more control, more confidence, and more peace at any age. I'm Dr. Ava. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share in the comments. What surprised you most in this video? And remember, your health is worth understanding, your discipline is worth building, and your future is worth protecting.